How to connect a multi-flow controller. Firstly, we will start connecting the motor to the controller. So the order we are connecting the motor is brown, blue, black, and earth. Brown to U, blue to V, black to W, and yellow to earth. Next, we can connect the tank high and tank low sensors. The polarity of the sensors are not important. They can go either brown to blue or blue and brown. We connect that to TH1 and 2 for our tank high sensor. Then we can connect our tank low sensor to TL1 and 2. Again, polarity is not important. We can then move on to connecting our DC terminals. It is always good practice to connect your negative first. This is just for in case your cables are live, and when you connect the positive, the current has somewhere to flow. When it comes to the AC connections, polarity is always important. In this case, we have brown as live, blue as neutral, and your green and yellow as earth. So we will connect brown to L, blue to N, and then yellow to PE. Now that all our connections are connected, we can close the unit and power it up for the first time. We can see the DC and AC lights are both illuminated, meaning we are getting DC power and AC power. So thereafter we can start up the motor.